What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to show you guys how to use Cydia properly. So I'm going to be showing you sources, tweaks, everything that you'll need to do the best and to get the most out of Cydia. So let's begin. Stream died just now. So first, let's go into Cydia so I can show you guys some sources and etc. Okay, so this is Cydia homepage. As you can see right here, this is the sections. Nobody really this is sections. Now, in order to add stuff to these sections, you will have to go into manage. We have to wait for my data to load it. Alright, changes right here. Before I show you how to add sources to add to sections, changes right here will show if you have an update on a certain tweak that you have on your device. Every now and then you need to come into Cydia, refresh all of your sources so you'll be able to update your source. I mean, not just source, your tweak. So make sure that you let all of your data be reloaded. If you don't do this, some of your tweaks might get old and start crashing and messing up your device. So make sure you try to do this at least once a week, the least. So after this is finished loading, I'll show you guys how to add sources. Cydia sources are necessary in order for you to get the best tweaks from different developers. Without using Cydia sources, you won't really have that much tweaks in order to use on your device. So it's good to add a lot of sources. Now, some sources Cydia might tell you is not very confirmed to be safe, but you still can add it. There's nothing wrong with it. So these are my Cydia sources here. I'll highlight. What you see at the bottom, http ://Cydia etc. This is what you add in your Cydia sources. So how do you do this? You click edit, add. A pop-up bubble will show up soon, which should show up anytime soon here, and you type in the source. It's just like when you type in URL for sites. Just type in the full URL and you're good. And then click add source. Once you click add source, it'll say verify etc. I only get this error because I didn't really add a source. So yeah. So each of these sources adds tweaks and different stuff for you to be able to add to your device. I'll just click one to show you the bunch of different stuff it adds. Yeah, all of this. Now, in order for you to use these, you have to download them. So you have to go click it, and then click install. Every time you open up a tweak or something on your device, it will show you a description below of every one of the tweak. This is the description of how the tweak works and all that, telling you what it does. This is the screenshot area, where you can see a picture of how it looks. Not all tweaks have to now, and this is where you click the install. So what you do is click install, then you click confirm, and bam, you got it. Then once you click confirm, you'll be able to download it. Next, this is my packages where you can see what all tweaks are already on your device, and this is what I have. Activator to help me to be able to activate apps by doing certain gestures, like clicking the home button. I can activate Facebook, etc. App lists. I don't really know what app lists do. App sync is necessary. Now I'll get back to app sync. You will need this in order to download apps for free using vShare and stuff like that. App 0.7 is also necessary to go with app sync to download vShare stuff off vShare. Barrel allows you to do certain different tweaks and stuff to your apps on your homepage, so it can do different gestures like roll around a circle, go in a cube shape, etc. I'll show you that too. Big Boss icon, you will add that to show the icons for the Big Boss tweaks inside Cydia. Blur NC background is this. Let's see what it'll do. this right here, you notice how my notification center is actually clear and not really dark or gray or whatever it was. Beer Reaper icons are just like Big Boss icon set. Color keyboard, well, color keyboard doesn't work at the moment because they didn't update it yet, so it doesn't make no sense to download yet. But once you download color keyboard, you will be able to use different color keyboards. Like instead of using the standard keyboard that Apple already developed inside the device, you'll be able to use different type of keyboard, and you can even customize your keyboard to have your own backgrounds on it. Cydia installer, this comes installed when you install the jailbreak tweak evasion. Default HD SP settings is this right here. Let me pull out my notification. This is SP settings. It allows you to do different things like Wi-Fi, brightness, turn on notification center, processor. This allow you to be able to, like, say you don't have enough space to run a game and you need to minimize some of your apps. You go in processor, minimize it, delete, minimize it, delete, minimize it, delete, and then click free up memory. This allows you to get different things it does. Next, then you get flashlight, LCD, all the good things. I'll show you each. I'll make a video for every one of these stuff so you guys will learn how to use them. Okay, display recorder is what I'm using right now to record this video to show you guys. Alright, what else? All of these right here comes on it. Comes when you jailbreak it. But if it doesn't, make sure you add these because these are very necessary to have. iApp Cracker allows you to get in-game purchases. Say you want to buy some money or get some coins inside Temple Run or so forth, but you don't have no monies at all in iTunes on your iTunes account. So what iApp Cracker does is it allows you to be able to get and bypass the Apple, I can't remember the name. It allows you to get to the Apple store and be able to buy and purchase coins without having to use any money from iTunes. So it's like you're actually thieving, to be honest. iBlank isn't really necessary. I use this for my team. iFile is completely necessary to have on this jailbreak. If you want to be able to edit files and do things with anything, almost like customize your whole iDevice to do whatever you want.